there was a
Let's
tiny
give
mini
this a
kitchen
stir.
that looked like a simple
Time for
toy,
more
but
ingredients.
for a little girl it
Yay,
was.
all mixed.
Full of dreams, people thought it was just a game and had no value, but she felt peace every time she played there.
I can do it myself.
When her home felt heavy, she set
Almost
her
ready
small
now.
plates cooked with love and smiled as if everything would be fine. As she grew older, life became harder, but the mini kitchen stayed with her, reminding her that small things bring real comfort. Whenever she felt weak, she made something simple and remembered her happy start. Slowly, she helped, and the real kitchen made
I made a
mistakes,
pie.
burned
It looks
food, but
wonderful,
never
sweetie.
stopped.
You did a
One day
great
she
job.
shared her
It's
food
beautiful.
with others and saw calm on their faces. Then she understood that what looked small and useless became her strength. This mini kitchen taught her that small beginnings can turn into big hope for kids and adults both, and sometimes the smallest play turns into the biggest purpose in life.